In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a label in Todoist. Labels are a powerful way to organize your tasks beyond just projects and due dates. They help you group similar tasks together, like all your phone calls, errands, or deep work items, so you can quickly see what needs your attention next. To get started, open Todoist on your computer. You can do this from your browser by going to the Todoist web app, or by opening the desktop app if you have it installed. Once Todoist is open, navigate to any existing task in your inbox or in one of your projects. It doesn't matter which task you choose for this, we just need a task open so we can attach a label to it. Click on the task to open its detailed view. This will usually slide in from the side or open in the center, depending on your layout. In this task view, you'll see options like the task name, due date, priority, and other details. Look for the section where you can add labels. Depending on your version of Todoist, this might appear as a small label icon, a field that says Add Label, or an area with existing labels if you've used them before. Go ahead and click on the label area. When you do this, Todoist will show you any labels you've already created if you have some, and it will also give you the option to add a new one. Since we're focusing on creating a new label, start typing the name you want to use. For example, you might type something like @calls, @at home, or @priority. As you type, Todoist will either suggest matching labels or show that this is a new one that doesn't exist yet. To create the new label, confirm the name you've typed by pressing Enter or clicking the option that appears to add it as a new label. Todoist will now create that label and attach it to the task you have open. You'll see the label appear in the task details, usually shown with a small icon or a distinct style so it stands out. From this point on, you can reuse that same label on any other task by opening the task, clicking on the label area, and selecting it from the list. Over time, this will make it much easier to filter your tasks and stay organized, simply by viewing everything with a specific label whenever you need it.